Bonjour, je m'appelle Osen. Bonjour, all the way from France. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Osen, the guy with the soprano. I am in France today. I'm in Colmar. I'll be traveling down somewhere until I reach Paris on Friday. This is where I'm staying in Colmar, that is France. The hotel is very colorful. And right here is a little mirror and a basin. And this is the shower. Then we've got our toilet. Safe from any failure. Got it, I found shelter in the storm. I'm hiding in the blue. Safe between the clouds. In the blue. Where I can't be found. Was a soldier in the legions. Fought against the demons. Fought against the monsters made of gold. But they stormed across Arcadia. Following the nature. Washed away the place I once called home. I'm hiding in the blue. Hello YouTube. I don't know where I stopped yesterday. So today is my second day in Colmar. This is a town in the Alsace region in France. It's bordered by Germany and Switzerland. Ladies and gents, your boy has a map. Yeah, Ronaldo map. I don't know what this space is called. Safe from any failure. Got it, I found shelter in the storm. I'm hiding in the blue. Safe between the clouds. In the blue. Where I can't be found. Was a soldier in the legions. Fought against the demons. Fought against the monsters made of gold. But they stormed across Arcadia. Following the nature. Washed away the place I once called home. This is the office of the tourism. Behind me is where I want to go in. So these are the prices if you ever want to go in. I think I'm going to get the 15 euro one. So entry.
But the ticket is okay till 6 o'clock. That's the ticket for the audio guide by my colleague.
I got this and a guide. Kitty mates. Yo! Dit is allemaal goa. Dit is allemaal goa. As it goes by, battle scarred my own worst enemy. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds. In the blue, where I can. I'm done with the museum. I'm off to another place. Okay, we are going to go to another museum, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in because museums are not my thing. Yeah, Starbucks sales are going to whatever this is, this was built in 1778. I'm looking for these sites. I think I'm so over it. I think I need to get a guide because wow. And Saint-Martin Collegiate Church. There we are. I'm hiding in the blue. On my way to La Petite Venise and Gothic Museum of Ethnography. Yo! I lost sense of time. I've gone numb, I miss the La Petite Venise.
Take me from this place and bring me home in the blue, safe between the clouds in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue.
Yo, Hela, being a tourist is exhausting. I'm already tired, and I don't think I've done even half of the things that are on that list. I've not done half of the things that are in this list, so I'm gonna sit somewhere, eat something, and see if I'll continue. Whew.
I'm alone here on my island, floating in the sky. I'm high above the world I used to know, and I'm far from any dangers.
As my trip comes to an end in Colmar, I'm on my way to the train station to go buy my ticket to Strasbourg. So this is where I'm going. Okay, let's purchase our ticket. English, buy the ticket. I'm leaving later. I don't have anything. I'm leaving from Colmar. I'm going to Strasbourg tomorrow. I want to do between 12 and 1 o'clock. It's a single trip, second class. Oh, just myself, one passenger. Yeah, I'm that old. I don't have a ticket. Let's see how much is first class. Yo, yeah, I do the first class. Anyway, I wrote it together. So I'll choose this one, and then you insert your payment card. I've got my ticket is ready. Complete. The ticket is ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna round one last time. I've seen a beautiful site there that I need to check out. This is one of the sites that I saw when I arrived in Colmar. Here we are.
Failure, got it, I found shelter in the storm. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds in the blue.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now looking at the guy who's responsible for the Statue of Liberty. So this is his hometown. So he basically designed the Statue of Liberty, as you can see there. And now it's in New York. I'd be lying if I say I know what's that. It looks cool though. This is the Colmar Water Tower. And here we are again. So this monument was done by the same guy who did the Statue of Liberty. So this is my final round. I got myself some snacks. I'm gonna sit like the locals here at the square and finish up. I hope you subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media platforms. Mr_Austin, the guy with the soprano. So today I'm going to Strasbourg. It's like 60 kilometers away. Push. What if I'm in the wrong train? The windows are dirty. One thing I learned is that wherever you go or you arrive, act like the locals.